Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get farm skins in Tower Defense Simulator. First, let's understand that farm skins are cosmetic upgrades for your in-game farms, offering no direct gameplay advantage, but adding a personalized touch. There are typically three main ways to acquire these unique skins: through special events, by opening crates, or by purchasing them directly from the in-game store. Each method has its own requirements and opportunities, so knowing them helps you strategize your collection efforts effectively. One common way to obtain exclusive farm skins is by participating in special in-game events. These events are often seasonal or tied to specific game updates, lasting for a limited duration, usually a few weeks. During these times, you'll find unique challenges or missions to complete. Successfully finishing these tasks can reward you with event-specific currency, which you can then exchange for farm skins. Or sometimes, the skins are given directly as completion rewards. Always check the event tab for current opportunities. Another exciting method to acquire farm skins is through opening crates. Tower Defense Simulator features several types of crates, such as event, premium, or standard, each with a different pool of potential rewards. You can often earn these crates by playing the game, completing daily quests, or sometimes purchase them with in-game currency or Robux. When you open a crate, there's a randomized chance to receive a farm skin. Some skins are extremely rare, making crate openings a thrilling experience. Finally, the most straightforward way to get certain farm skins is by purchasing them directly from the in-game store. The store frequently features a selection of skins that can be bought using Robux, the premium currency, or sometimes with in-game coins earned through gameplay. The available skins in the store often rotate, so if you see a farm skin you like, it's wise to consider acquiring it before it's gone. Keep an eye on the store's offerings, as new and returning skins appear regularly, providing a direct path to your desired cosmetics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.